Are you done trying to fix your Roborock S5 robot vacuum that won't work? Do you check the Lidar and it doesn't spin like this? Don't give up. Let's figure out the best solution together. Take a look at how we help our customers who had similar problems. A customer brought us a Roborock S5 robot vacuum that won't work when activated.
Resuming cleaning.
The customer asked us to fix it. Our team discovered that this robot vacuum couldn't work because of error 1, which means the Lidar stopped spinning or was damaged. We suggest the Lidar replacement. But wait! Take a look at this. Dust and dirt are all over the fan suction and other parts. To unlock the robot vacuum true potential, we also recommend a deep cleaning service to banish all dirt. As soon as the customer approves, we get to work on repairs and deep cleaning service. Check it out. Lidar is back in action. And now, the moment of truth. The robot vacuum springs to life, working flawlessly like new again. Why choose us for your robot vacuum repair, expert diagnosis and solutions? Transparent communication with our customers. Swift and efficient repair processes. Thorough unit testing for guaranteed performance. Are you having the same problem? Let us be your solution.